everyone! Welcome to my vlog. It's Loris here, and right now, this is a kinda study vlog. So, yeah. So, I have my notes here, and yeah. Gusto nyo makita mga things ko. So, I have my pens. My highlighter, my color pencil because I love to color like that. Actually, it is a watercolor pencil because I love art. Sure. So yeah, then I have extra ball pen and stapler, scissor. And then of course I have books here. So I have my RLE notebook. So ginagamit namin to siya to write mga notes for our duty. I have my nursing bundle. So, ito yung parang go-to na notes ko. This during duty, if I need mga refresh sa mga lessons or like something like that. And of course, I have the big one. So, ako kasi, I'm somehow visual learner. Kaya, I need something like very creative at nakikita ko. And then, I also have my, ano ba tawag? Yung medical surgical nursing na book. So, eto, dito, may mga ano ko dito, like mga annotated notes before nung third year kasi, yeah. So, gusto ko lang i-review kasi right now, ang lesson namin is about respi and cardio. So, para to refresh my memory nung third year MS1, so, I'm reading it again. And of course, dapat hindi natin kalimutan yung yung study guide. So, eto, mga set of questions to siya here. So, later on, after I study, I can like practice myself sa mga questions na andito. And yeah. So, aside from that, wait, ang daming gamit. Aside from that, I also have my trances. So, ito yung trances ko for MS. So, yeah. So, may mga trances here. So, etong sa trances is, based to siya sa PPT Atlasan ng prof namin. And then next, I also have another book. So, dito talaga ako nag-aaral, like, mga kapag tinamad na ako to study and to scan sa, MS book. So, ito yung go-to na ko, aside sa study guide, sa nursing bundle, ito din. Kasi, very, siya, complete siya from community till the end of time. Sure. So, yeah. So, I wanna highlight this one. So, I have book tabs. Yeah, I love book tabs so much. Kasi like, before, ang ginagamit ko is yung, to tawag ko? Yung bookmark. I have bookmark here. Wait, I'll look for it. So, ito yung bookmark ko. So, ganito siya gamitin. Yeah, bookmark. So, eto, nakita niyo yung face ko. It's a no makeup look. Sure, kasi no makeup. Like, tingnan niyo, nag-skincare na ako. So, hindi na ako mag-makeup. So, ganito lang siya gamitin. Magnet to siya. So, you just like put like this lang. So, yeah, kapag i-close mo siya, makikita mo kung saan ka na banda. And yeah, yun. Kasi before, I usually like, tupi it. But, ayun. Ayoko, hindi ko nagustuhan yung tupi kasi nasisira yung print. And next is I have this. Sticky notes. Tapos, meron din ako, patapin. So, nagtatanggal na yung mga book, mga kinemerot. So, I have another sticky note. So, itong sticky note, it's transparent. Yeah, transparent siya. Tapos ilalagay mo siya here. And then, I have another book tab. So, ito, I usually use this sa mga novel na books or mga readings, mga kinemerut. And I have others. Like, it's very cute na book tab. Like, pusa kasi siya. Pusa. So, it's the cat note. And it's really cute. And then next, I have is pens. Glitter pens. Because I love pens. As you can see here, diba? Halata naman. So, yeah. And then, I have a marker. Kasi some of my book tabs, hindi siya pwede with ball pen. So, I'm still looking for a, alam mo yung like parang marker type of pen. Yung parang hindi siya na-erase. Yeah. So, very cute talaga. Like, I love it so much. So, gusto niyo makita mga notes ko? I have like a notebook here. So, etong notebook, dito ko sinusulat kung ano yung sinasabi ng lecturer namin, ng prof namin. But I have other. Ayan, here. So, ganito ako mag-annotate. Kita nyo ba? Ayan, ganito ako mag-annotate. Ayan, may mga notes ako here. Makita na siya. And then, here, may mga ano ako, like annotations. Kasi, yeah. Tapos, eto nga paling transparent na sticky note kanina. Na-try ko siya with pen. Hindi naman siya na-erase, pero hindi lang siya aesthetically pleasing. And yeah. So, ayan din. It's really cute. I really love this. Yeah. That's my notes. Because I really love sticky notes. So, eto, I have, other din pala. So, I have, ano to? Ano to tawag? Basta like this siya, oh. Diba? So, this one, pwede siya, using pen kasi paper type naman yung eto sa dulo. So, yeah. Same siya sa nilagay ko here. So, here. Yeah. Actually, this year ko lang to na-discover. Meron pala ganito. And I was like, yeah. So, if ever lang mag-study ako, hindi ko na kailangan mag-scroll down with sa table of contents kasi nakikita ko na lang siya. For example, respiratory system for MS, andyan na. Cardiovascular system, andyan na. Tapos, meron din mga respiratory drugs, like something like that. So, yeah. So, that's all for the chismis because I'm going to study and wish me luck. Feel ko talaga tomorrow may quiz kami sa CA but hopefully masuspend ni Mayor ang class because I'm not ready. And yeah. So, watch me study. So, right now, I'm going to sleep na and nakat pala yung time-lapse kanina. And time check, so I started 9 p.m. sa pag-aral but yeah, ngayon tonight, nag-start ako like 9 p.m. Pero nag-study din ako kaninang afternoon and morning. So, time check right now, it's 3:20 plus. So, hindi ko napansin yung time na 3:20 na. And, yeah, very productive. Laban to serve Filipinos abroad. But anyways, thank you for watching sa vlog. Though very random, I do vlogs for memory purposes, like so that in the future when when we are old enough, I can rewatch all the videos and like ganito pala ako before, like yung realization. And yeah, this is my face, no makeup, and yeah, I'm kind of sleepy na. So goodbye. Thank you for watching.